could definitely get used to this. Have you driving me around? But once I get my license back, that's it. I'm definitely behind the wheel for sure. Don't do that. You wouldn't have anything if it wasn't for me. So just for tonight, I need everything to go smooth. Okay?
Okay.
I'm sorry you have to be here tonight. There's a lot of money in the line. After tonight, we're gonna be good. I don't know.
How do we know this guy's legit, Ford?
Trust me, Rod. I've known Mick since grade school.
I don't know if we can trust this guy, Lawrence. What if he's just some random guy who can blow this whole operation?
At least give him a chance. He could use the money for...
Ford, go get your friend.
Hey, Mick. Who is that with you?
She's my girl. She had to come, man.
Let your friend in, Ford.
What's up, buddy?
Ford? It's been a while, buddy. Yeah. Hi, I'm Mick.
Sit down. All right. Who are you?
Everybody knows about Mick. I'm from around the
Mick who?
Mick Kimball.
And who's that?
That's my girl. She's just here to help me keep track of things.
So she's your secretary? Mr. Campbell comes to our meeting with his own personal secretary. She has no name, so I'll call her Terry. Tell your Terry to go sit down over there. Now that we're all settled, let's get down to business. Mick, why you here?
Well, when I spoke with Ford on the phone...
I mean, what can you do for me?
he told me you need a guy, you know, to handle things.
And you think you can do that for me?
Yeah, definitely.
I guess we won't know until we try. Maybe you do good, and we keep you on. Maybe you don't, and we cut ties.
Top off your drink.
Have Terry do it. If she's here, she might as well do something. Drink, Mr. Campbell? Would you consider yourself a drinker, Mr. Campbell?
I would say so.
Don't be. It's bad for business. Drinking is for schmoozing and loving.
I'm sorry. I broke the glass. I'm cleaning up right now.
Oh. Terry speaks. I'm glad. I was starting to think she was a mute.
I'm sorry about her. She's not too good on her feet.
You're in the big leagues now. Deuce Annie.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
You stupid bitch!
So sorry. Let me help you.
Get away. I got it. The stupid fucking sink is broken. Mick, I'ma kill your bitch.
Yo, look. I'm sorry. I'm pretty sure she didn't mean to.
Look, we can go to the front desk and have someone come over here and fix it. And bring Mick a glass, too.
Hurry up and do it, Ford.
Hello, yes, we're in room 211. The sink seems to be broken. Can you have someone coming over and fix it? Okay, thank you. Also, one more drinking glass, please. Alright, thanks.
Terry, sweetie, why don't you go sit down? That was awfully quick. Ford, go let him in.
Looks good, boss.
Then let him in, you idiot.
Evening, gentlemen. I brought some ice for your drinks.
Oh, thanks.
So your sink, is that what seems to be the problem?
Yeah, it isn't fucking working.
And that's why I'm here. I'll go take a look.
Well, Mick, I think you could be the kind of guy we're looking for down here. I'm going to send you on a job tomorrow as a sort of a test. And if you're still alive by Thursday, you can stay with us permanently.
Oh, thank you. I'll do whatever it...
All set. Seems like you guys just had a loose nut under there. Should be fine now. Works when I tested it, but if you have any more problems, just call down to the front and I'll come right back. Enjoy your drinks.
Terry, make yourself useful and go check the sink. All right, Mick. I'm going to send Ford with you tomorrow just so he can show you the ropes. I'll give you $70,000, $60,000 for the client, and you and Ford can split the rest. You'll get the other half of your money after our client confirms the transaction with me. If he says it didn't go well, if you even breathe towards him the wrong way. Ford.
What the fuck is you doing?
Mick, babe, this doesn't concern you.
Give me that. Ah!
Put your hands on the table.
Terry, baby. Those were my best men.
Well, maybe your best men shouldn't be letting random women into your meetings.
All right. So what do you want? Money?
Money's the least of my concern. Tell me the name of the client you're meeting tomorrow.
Terry. The thing is, I can't do that. My clients have a right to a sort of confidentiality.
You'll wake the other guests. You know, if you tell me what I need to know, you might have enough time to make it to the hospital to reattach this big fat pinky of yours.
Don't you, Terry? I can't do that. That's between my client and I. If I went around telling everyone my business, I wouldn't be in much of a business at all.
Can't you break the rules for me just this once?
Oh, you stupid bitch.
All right, fine. Have it your way.
All right. I'll tell you. His name's Ricardo.
Ricardo who?
We don't use last names.
That one's for lying.
Ricardo Diaz.
Thank you, boss. And one more thing. What's the code to the lock?
I gave you the information you wanted. You can't have my money. You're a very daring lady, Terry.
My name's Piper. Give this to your mom. Tell anyone about tonight. I'll come find you.